plan.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
I has a better plan. Next.
You told me.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Please show thumbs up. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So without delay, let's get started.
Put the picture. Now you can. You change the picture.
And you all,
Everyone
can you hear me? Please show thumbs up. Am I audible? Okay, fine. And my file, you can see my file? Okay, fine. Okay, students. So today I will give complete view. I should give complete view of the file. No, it is not. Actually, the proportion will be disturbed. Oh, okay, students, I'm giving you complete view of my file. And as you all know, on 22nd, we have a very special day of Ganesh Chaturthi. So today we will be learning Lord Ganesha. And Lord Ganesha, I wanted to teach because different images of Lord Ganesha is very trendy, especially for making on, you can try them on CDs, because for removing Vastu Dosh also, just put Lord Ganesha's small images here and there. So today's drawing, we will be learning first of Lord Ganesha, and I will just show you that what kind of artwork it is going to be. I will. The color scheme which we will be following will be this, and I'm not going to show that normal one. We will be making Lord Ganesha with radish and sinduri color. Okay, and it is going to be a very good art piece, although I wanted to teach it on canvas, but during lockdown, as it's not available canvas, see this color scheme we are going to implement. Okay, we will be showing this kind of artwork today. So without delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use my drawing file vertically.
देखो, ask him. Is it audible now?
Am I audible now? Please show thumbs up. Okay, and my screen? Yeah, sorry for inconvenience because it's raining heavily. We have little internet issues. Okay, let's get started now. See what I did. I took my page vertically. I'm going to plan this drawing vertically. And I just took a portion. This horizontal line is not in center, it's slightly above. Okay. And horizontally, I have taken more than half. This is not in the center. And then vertically also, I just occupied more than half here. Draw a box here. So here in center, my Lord Ganesha will come. Yes. I'm not clear. Is my voice clear? Okay, fine. Anjali ma'am, can you hear me now? Okay, okay. Now, what we are going to do, I will be starting my Lord Ganesha from here. This box, I will use this box as my center. So what I'm going to do, show this much big curved shape. Yes, I'm again repeating the proportion. I will make it little more dark first so that you can get it. See, I used my file vertically. And what I did, this is my center. But I slightly above the center, I just made horizontal line. And this horizontal line, I didn't finish till center. This is my center. I extend more than center. And this corner, I just took a box. More than half vertically, more than half horizontally. And make a box. And now, using this box in center, I will start my drawing here. From here, draw this kind of curved shape, C. And from here, I will be coming slightly slanting. And I will not join, leave space for trunk. Okay? It's not exactly round. From here, will make my lines little more dark. But you may draw very light. Finish it with two lines. One is big, one is small. Yeah. I will be repeating once again. I took my file vertically. I took more than half vertically, more than half horizontally, and make this box. And use the center of box. Center, it means my head of Lord Ganesha is almost in center of this box. Here, I just draw a C, came slightly slanting with curved lines, and leave some space for making trunk. Yes. Now here. From here, draw a shape of C. Here, I will be making little more dark. ऐसे थोड़ा सा zoom in कर. and curve out. Curves out. It's looking like S. Okay? S. With lots of efforts and attention. And if you have any wooden plank or some beautiful base, you can try this on that. I was planning of making this work on canvas, but because of lockdown, it's not available. The stationery material and acrylic colors are not available everywhere. Because of this only I dropped this. Otherwise, I wanted to make this Lord Ganesha on canvas. I was planning of doing this session on canvas. Okay, this is S. And now here, take point for mark. Decide that from where the second line of ears will start. Here, take point. One more line, slightly curved. And you will join it. And after joining, it will look like this. Symmetry is very important. Lots of efforts and stable hands. Plan your stroke first, okay? Lord Ganesha, which you are learning today, you can try it on CDs. Small CDs on golden or silver surface with acrylic colors. It will look great. As I showed you on mobile, what color scheme we are going to implement. We are going to make it red. We will not make it like ordinary images. Just to make it looking very special and different, we will be implementing very different color scheme. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Wonderful. Great. Amazing. Shabash. Yeah. The beginning, I just want to check. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Excellent work and perfectly proportionate. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now trunk will leave incomplete. Yeah, I've checked yours also, Bishreya. I will be taking 1 point near these lines of trunk and leaving some distance. I will take 1 more point. 2 points. 1 near trunk, 1 keeping some gap. And here it's a shape of, if I compare it to letters, it is a shape of J. J. And then it will be curved. J for jug. And the second point also I will connect. According to many literature, the second tusk, we all know, the second tusk of Lord Ganesha is broken 1. According to many literatures, it is broken because Lord Ganesha used it for writing Vedas. So, used this tusk as pen. broken tusk. Just 2 lines and join. Now I will be taking point near this upper line of ear. And I will just join the same shape, but I will join it to corners. Same here. Join it to corners. And here, this is the middle of the face. Just here, I will be showing. Two lines and a big tilak.
Ma'am, is it for the watercolor painting?
See, we are going to do mixed media in this. Background we will be doing with watercolors, but Lord Ganesha we will be doing with oil pastels. As the intensity of oil pastel is equivalent to oil colors, and I want my Lord Ganesha look very bright, vibrant. So we will be using both techniques. So I think it will help it coming out more beautifully. A big U shape and a circle. Yes. Finish this. Have you done? Please show thumbs up. It's perfectly going perfect. I can see many are struggling. Still doing? Okay, shall I start? Yes, very good. Excellent. Excellent work. Okay. Yes, now here, just below ear, I will be taking 1 point here and this side also. Leaving same space on both the sides. Okay, I will just mark. Always mark a point from where you are going to start your line and how much big. Okay. Now take 2 points first and go for slanting, gently sloping. It's not steeply sloping lines, gently sloping lines. Aishi, shut the. Gently sloping line here. Gently sloping line here. See, if canvas is available, if you want to try the same on canvas, okay? While doing colors, I will guide you how to color this Lord Ganesha with the same color scheme which we are going to implement. So those who want, if available, during lockdown, availability of material is a great challenge for all of us. Okay, these 2 lines and with curved line come down. It's almost coming down, but with curved line. Same here with curved line. Almost down. Slanting and down. This is the last point which you are supposed to mark. Last point. Trunk I left incomplete purposely because this trunk I'm going to adjust on prasad, this laddu which I'm going to show in hand. So I will make trunk after making this laddu so that I can arrange my trunk on my laddu. Make this basic shape of body. And this is last point. Yes. Have you all done? Show thumbs up as soon as you finish. And if you want, I can see many are still doing. I will wait for them. Yeah. Finish because this is very important part of the drawing. I will wait for them. Yeah. Okay, now this point we have, leave some space. You are going to leave some space. You can just take it as a line and take one more point. Leave some space and take one more point. Okay, you are supposed to leave some space. You can, right now you can just show it as line, but it is a space we are going to leave. And now see these 2 points. First take 2 points. Now see these 2 points which I have. Video, Aishi, video is off. Why it's still happening so today? It's on now. Can you see the video? Yeah. Yes. Now see these are 2 points. And this is the center point. But I will not take center point here. I will be taking center point slightly below here. This way. Okay, here. And if you want to take center, you can just align it with the bindi. Okay? Yeah. When you want to show the sitting posture. Now see the method which I'm teaching, you will never forget. If you want to make Lord Ganesha anywhere, you can just make it directly with paint on any surface. Now these 2 points I have, I took a center point. And now I'm going to draw. Is coming on. Is video on now? Can you see the video? Yes. Now here, these points we have, I will be writing C. On both the points. Okay. And this C will help me, this point, center point which I have, I will join my C. Same here, I will join this line of C, and with the help of this line, I will give a curve. As I want to show the sitting posture of Lord Ganesha. The center line will help us making the sitting posture perfect. Yes. And the C which you have taken on side should not be very small. Okay. It's looking like a hockey stick right now. Yes. Now, this center point which I have, I will be making a V, shape of V. I will make my lines little more dark, but you can try the drawing with very light lines. Okay, 2 points this ways. And now I want to show the sitting posture. So what I will be doing? This ways. Now, if you will observe, please observe for just a minute, just look at the drawing. The thing which you're supposed to keep in mind. See, it's looking like a U shape, but it's open from here and growing narrow. Open, then growing narrow. You will not make it parallel U. No. This ways. The lines are coming close. Okay? Same ways here. You will be just opening and then coming narrow. Make both the legs. Look at the position of legs and the shape especially. Very good. Very good, Debu. It's correct. Very good, Varsha ma'am. Beautifully done. Shreya, it's perfect. शुभी थोड़ा सा ऊपर. हाँ ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. अंजलि मैम, it's perfect. आद्या, perfect. दिया, perfect. काव्या, थोड़ा और पास आओ. कैमरे के थोड़ा और पास आओ बेटा, दिख नहीं रहा मुझे. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. परफेक्ट. आरती मैम परफेक्ट है. वैभव और आद्या. वैभव ने नहीं दिखा है, आद्या अभी आद्या दिखा रही है बस. सुहासी बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. नंदिनी बहुत बढ़िया. एक्सेलेंट. कोई रह गया है क्या? दीप्ति मैम. वेरी गुड. ब्यूटीफुल. आपका थोड़े नीचे ज्यादा हो गए, पर कोई बात नहीं, हम यहाँ एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. बाकी ठीक है, बिल्कुल शेप इज परफेक्ट. थोड़े नीचे ज्यादा शिफ्ट हो गए, बट कोई बात नहीं. एंड दिस इज कीर्ति, पूजा, ग्रेट वर्क. शाबाश. और कोई रह गया है जो दिखा रहा है मुझे? वैभव ठीक है. रति मैम, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. शुभी, आउटस्टैंडिंग. बहुत बढ़िया बना है. गुड. ठीक है, चलो अब इसे कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. Now see the feet of Lord Ganesha I'm going to show. Like this bottle. If I will show the bottle this way, you can see the complete structure of bottle is visible. But if I will show bottle this way, only the tip, the circle is visible. Same with my hand. If I will place my hand, so only the tips you can see. So same ways I want to show that Lord Ganesha is sitting, keeping feet in front. So only the tips are visible, which I'm going to show now. Make one more line. One more V. This point I have, take one more point and draw one more V. And the tip, because we are showing leg, the feet, this is toe. Toe, circle of toe, then 4 fingers. Okay, 4 fingers. And we will join it with slanting lines. Okay, this ways. I'm showing again what I did. This line I have now, I made one more. This is V. I made a V. Then this is a big circle of toe. 5 small circles of fingers and a slanting line I will join. Slanting line. Okay. Same ways here. Don't forget to make this line. Because we are going to show our Lord Ganesha with reddish, maroonish and orangish shade. So we will highlight these lines with yellow or golden, this kind of work. Color scheme is going to be very special. We will not go for that ordinary color scheme. So that if you want to try the same on canvas, you can try if available. Okay. Finishes. This V. I took a point, again a V. Then circles and join. Okay. The legs, the sitting posture is ready. Now, here. This space which I have and I just join it with line. I'll erase because I want this space available now. I will erase this. And 2 sleeping lines. And same here. Rectangle of same size. One this side, one this side. The lines which are coming in rectangle, clean them. To rectangle. Okay, and many students are there who are learning because of time slot not available and time clashing with their time. In this batch, we have few students also and they are also doing very well. Good students. Yes, now here I want to show big laddu. I will touch this line and try to make a round shaped big laddu. And I want to show Lord Ganesha is holding laddu like this, fingers like this. Okay, open. So, first draw laddu first. It should touch this line, the space which I left. I will occupy that. And I will be showing. And show nails also. Yes, and now here, these 2 points I have, I will be coming down. Yes, let your trunk come over laddu. It's still here. Okay, I will make it dark. It's a shape of S, letter S. This big line. In a trunk, I left my trunk incomplete with one big line and one small line. This big line, I took a point and this is the last point of the trunk. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. Make sure that the shape should be perfect. Okay, make sure shape should be perfect, and I just want it over. And this is the last point. Please decide the last point also at the same time. And now you're going to take a point near. Near this, first you decide this point where your trunk is going to get finished. And now I will start my line and the same shape I will be repeating and finish it here. Okay? So very effortfully, no need to hurry. Gradually my lines will come close and I will finish my line here. You will erase a line of body which is coming in trunk. Erase this line carefully. And now join it with a very small flat V. And we are not going to show eyes and detailing as we want to show our Ganesha coated with sindoor. Okay, with red, orange and maroonish color we are going to color. Okay, this is V. Just join. Yes, now here, take 2 points. And go slightly slanting. Again, gently sloping lines. And here I am going to write a U. Slightly slanting and give a curve. Okay, this line you will finish with U. And from here, I will be making one more U, which will be connected this previous one, this ways. Okay, and make fingers. Make fingers. Don't forget to write Om. If you don't want to write Om, you can make a swastik or just a circle. With one hand, Lord Ganesha giving blessings. Yeah, wonderfully done. Now I will be showing Janev. Just Janev here, white colored. It's a kind of cotton string. Hindus and Brahmins wear this. It's called Janev. Of line to this side. Yes, you can make line. Okay, and one more on which you can show that Ganesha is sitting over. We'll erase this box. You don't need it now. Okay. If you remember in drawing of Janmashtami also, we decide this kind of box and then we started. Yes. So this phase, we actually decide that how much big object we are going to make. Okay. I will be making the stairs. I will try to cover up this bottom. Give support of the line as if Ganesha is sitting over with the help of. I will give complete view. Okay, I will give complete view of the drawing because now the Ganesha, Lord Ganesha, in this corner is ready. Now it's time, complete view. Complete view. Or bada.
Tissue to downwards.
Okay, now it's time to show circle. You can start your circle from here. We will be showing that aura all around. And here we want to show that the light near Lord Ganesha is because of the lamp. No artificial light is there. So we are going to show colors accordingly. Okay. I will be making it little dark. Actually, video is coming blur. You make this circle very light. I'm making it dark so that, yeah, from my side it's going perfect, ma'am. Yeah, from my side it's going perfect. A second, let me ask the class. Yes, can you see, rest of you can see this perfectly or it is blurred for everyone? Acha, few can see and few can't. So, I'll check it again. Check. Okay, now here, one more. One more. These are two auras. Here I will be using yellow and white. Then I will switch on to orange and reddish and then darkness. Show this kind of circles. Yes. And here, from here, I will be showing two lamps. We will be showing two lamps. We'll be showing two lamps. Lines should be straight, hanging. They are hanging. Okay. I will be taking one more line, slightly small. Okay, now join. This ways you will be joining. It's looking like boat. First draw this much. We'll erase the lines of aura which is coming in lamp. Okay. Now one more line. Join. And one more line. Okay. We will make this hanging lamps little fancy. Show lines like this. And don't forget to show small, tiny, antique and fancy at the same time. See, when like articles, we have some punch lines that make articles very powerful. Same ways in drawing also we have some punch lines, punch strokes. So these lamps and the stroke with yellow and white we will be giving. I will show when we will be doing coloring. Those are punch strokes of our and okay, now show flame of diyas, which is making the area near Lord Ganesha bright. Okay. Lamp. Same ways here. I will be making one more line. Join. One more line. Join.
That's perfect.
Yes. I will show flame of lamp.
क्या हुआ पोपा?
The lamps are ready. Two lamps hanging around. Don't forget to show some flowers here. Very simple. Not many. Few flowers are more than enough. Okay, I will make them dark. Draw some flowers. Yes, I want to check before stepping on that the perfect proportion, the implementation and everything. Please keep holding because when I scroll now, take time to reach to you. Yeah, very good. Very good. Very beautifully done. Perfect work. Perfect. And we are going to implement very different, very creative color scheme for this. Beautiful work. Outstanding. बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. Very good. Okay, now let's complete Mushak Raj. Mushak, it means mouse. Here. Okay. Yes, for making Mushak Raj, this kind of bracket shape. Now from here, you will be making one more shape like C only and take the center point of C. And from here, take center point of C. I will be writing 2. 2 from here, 2. Okay, this is 2. Number 2. And just this line of 2 which I have now, I will make one more line below that. I will connect it to backside portion. This ways. थोड़ा इसको ये माउस पे थोड़ा जूम इन कर सकते हैं. नहीं drawing में तो दिख रहा है. It's very small actually. Okay, now from here you can just show hands as if praising. Shift your book upward. Yeah. Bas. See. One more. Video is off. Can you see now? Yes. I will be making a dot here, line, and this kind of two curves to show ears, eyes, tail. Join. Very small, tiny moshak here. Curved line. Very simple diya. I will make the lines a little more dark. Yes. And it is done. This is all about our today's work. I will give complete view that this is the perfect for final output. I will be showing complete view of the file. And next time, keep your oil pastel ready. In Lord Ganesha only you will give outlines. Okay? In only Lord Ganesha you will be giving outlines. And background we will be doing with watercolors. And this is all about today's work. And I just seen your work. You all are amazing, really wonderful work, praiseworthy work, and brilliant work you all are doing. Proud of you. And with this, yes, outlines only in Lord Ganesha. And don't give outline in this Janevu. Okay, we are going to make it white. Yeah. Yeah, see, if you feel that there is quite big space, then also don't make so many. I made 4. If there is more space than mine, don't make more than 4. 4 is enough. Rest everything then we will be completing. So this complete part we will be doing with oil pastel. Outlines only in Ganesha. Okay, only in Ganesha. And this background part we will be doing with watercolors. Okay, so this lamps you will not give outlines. This background part you will not give outlines. Only in Lord Ganesha and the stairs and mouse, everything you will be giving outlines, but you will not give outlines in Janevu. This is your homework. And again, you all are amazing. Really proud of you. Amazing work. You can see, look at work of each other, doing really wonderfully. Okay. You can try the same on big canvas because Lord Ganesha, normally we put them in our drawing rooms and everywhere. It looks great. not only according to Vastu, for getting blessings continuously. Okay? So this is all about. And with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye, students. Good night. Good night.